Hi, welcome to the first episode of Batman Gadget with Blender tutorial series. Recently, we have started working on a mini project with characters of Batman comics. While we are working on this project, we thought it is better to share some tips and tricks we have learned which will be useful for you in the future project. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how we create mechanisms with object constraint, which will make it easy to animate Batman grappling gun. This grappling gun model I already created with Blender and I provided link in the description section to download it. Also, you can find time-lapse video of modeling it on my YouTube channel. First of all, open begin.blend file from tutorial materials we provided. Then make sure you need only one grapple hook blade part. You can delete rest of it because you can duplicate other part with constraint from only one object. First, you have to parent blade part to the hook middle area, which I called bullet. Select blade part first and while pressing shift key select middle bullet part. Then press Ctrl P and select object. Now what you want is controller which you can use to easily control rotation of blade. For that we need to create an empty object as a controller and place it in the middle. Make sure you name it properly, like hook controllers. Now you can select blade part and add an object constraint. Animation we want is when hook control drag down to y-axis, blade should be rotated on x-axis like this. In short, we need to rotate object when other object location change. For this, we can use transformation constraint. Add transformation constraint and set target as your hook controller empty object. Now there is two areas, source and destination. Here source is object you're gonna transform. In our example, the empty controller. Destination means selected object which gonna change with source object. For this, I'm gonna select source as a location and destination as a rotation. Now change this to local space. Next, change how much degrees your blade need to rotate. I set x-axis max value as minus 180. Then on y-axis of source, set distance you need to move to rotate the blade. I set minus 0.8 as a minimum value and minus 0.1 as a maximum value. Then set source to destination mapping as y to x and change rest like this. You can play with these values and compare behavior differences. Now move your controller object on y-axis and test it. Cool, it is working fine. Now you can duplicate it and create other blades. Move your controller now. You see all of them rotate as we want. Anyway, you can change some values in constraint and differentiate timing. So, what do you think about this? Please don't hesitate to share your ideas about this in comment section. It will helpful for me to improve my mini Batman project. In the next part of this episode, I am going to show you how to attach rope to your grappling hook and animate it with several controllers. To stay tuned with us, please visit and subscribe our YouTube channel. Until then, take care. See you soon.